This is Housing News 360. The headlines: Nigerian smart home market projected to reach $284.6 million by 2025. Federal ministries to enhance housing and infrastructure development. Dangote and host communities sign landmark development pact. From the foreign scene, Boston Housing Authority failed to meet safety standards. The Nigerian smart home market is projected to surpass $284.6 million by the end of 2025, according to Statista, with experts in information technology and human resources highlighting that this growth presents a prime opportunity for new career prospects in the sector. The Chief Executive Officer of SO Tech Africa Limited, Engineer Seton Senu, disclosed this in a press briefing in Lagos, urging Nigerians youth to pursue smart home automation training, highlighting the growing opportunities as Nigerian smart home market is set to exceed $284.6 million by 2025. This training program incorporates digital tools and hands-on learning to bridge skill gaps and reduce costs. In collaboration with the Ministry of Housing and Architect Registration Council of Nigeria, ARCON, also offering a 4-day training for architects. He, however, stated that this initiative is designed to equip architects with the skills needed to design, implement and manage smart home systems, paving the way for the future of architectural designs. The Federal Ministries of Regional Development and Housing have partnered to address housing, urbanization and infrastructure challenges in Nigeria's northern regions, aligning with President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda for sustainable development. A statement from the head of press and public relations at the Ministry of Regional Development, Abdul Rashid Safana, reveals that the initiative aims to promote affordable housing, urban renewal, infrastructure expansion, and capacity building. The Minister of State for Regional Development, Uba Maigari Amadu, emphasized that the alignment between the two ministries is vital for achieving national goals, citing a recent inspection of a 1,000-unit housing project in Borno State to highlight the importance of collaboration in project execution. The Minister of Housing and Urban Development, Ahmed Musa Dangiwa, however, welcomed the initiative, highlighting the importance of interministerial cooperation to save time, resources, and achieve sustainable development, with both ministers committing to improving housing and infrastructure nationwide. The Lagos State government has called for collaboration in addressing building collapses, highlighting that neglecting safety, particularly in rapidly urbanizing areas, is a major factor contributing to the issue. The General Manager of Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, Mrs. Olayinka Abdul, urged traders and building artisans in Ojo and Badagry to prioritize safety, emphasizing that building disasters cause physical, emotional, and long-term community impact. The theme, fostering collaboration in averting building disasters across Lagos communities, highlights the need for joint efforts among stakeholders, with the General Manager emphasizing the agency's commitment to ensuring construction materials meet standards and the importance of collaboration to improve building safety in Lagos State. The President General of the Alaba International Trade Association, Camillus Amajoyi, however, assured compliance with government directives to improve the market and stressed the use of quality materials, also raising concerns about poor road conditions and touts posing as transport union members. The Dangote Coal Mines Limited and Benue host communities have signed a pact to support government social programs. Nuhu Eluja, a company representative, called it a breakthrough for the Abache community, while Bimbo Adams, representing the Minister of Solid Minerals Development, hailed it as a milestone for peace and development. Mrs. Adijetu Usman, representing the Federal Ministry at the state level, and Chief Emmanuel Ikom, Ward Head of Ugbokolo, praised Dangote Coal for its ongoing project in the 3 host communities of Okpokuwu Local Council, Benue State, and urged the company to continue its efforts. A representative at the Abashi community, Sunday Onoko Alo, in his remarks, however, appreciated the effort, promising that his settlement would coexist peacefully with the management to facilitate rapid development of the area. Students of the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State, were injured when the ceiling of the amphitheater at Oduduwa Hall collapsed during a lecture on Thursday due to strong winds and rainfall. In response to the incident, the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Adebayo Simon Bamiri, along with the university officials, visited the Medical and Health Center to ensure the injured students received care. 2 students with serious injuries were taken to the Obafemi Awolowo University Teaching Hospital Complex, where Chief Medical Director Professor John Okeniyi oversaw their treatment. He, however, urged students and staff to continue their activities without disruption, while the university's public relations officer, Mr. Abiodun Olanrewaju, confirmed the incident and stated that the amphitheater had been sealed off until further notice. From the foreign scene, the Boston Housing Authority has violated federal and local regulations by permitting residents to live in unsafe housing units. The United States Department of Housing and Urban Development Inspector General inspected Boston Housing Authority apartments and buildings, auditing several years of BHA records and finding that the authority failed to conduct required property inspections consistently or address issues promptly. Inspectors randomly selected 36 units for their audit and found that 86% had deficiencies, some of which were life-threatening, such as non-working fire alarms and blocked exits, including damaged windows and mice infestations. The Housing and Urban Development Acting Inspector General, Stephen Begg, however, stated that public housing agencies must ensure funded units are safe and sanitary.
Visit Housing TV Africa on YouTube and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to Housing TV Africa to stay updated on latest happenings in Nigeria's housing sector. Follow our social media pages, like and share our posts on Facebook, Housing TV Africa, on Twitter, Housing TV Africa, Instagram, Housing TV Africa. Join the conversation and keep up with latest housing updates.
Housing TV Africa, your first in housing development broadcasting.